Now, where could he have lost his pinwheel? He'll see. I'll find it for sure. Huh? What's this? Let me go! Save me! What am I gonna do? I'm gonna get hit! Help!
He's such a big talker. I don't believe a word. I wonder where he went. Huh? Is that? It is my pinwheel. Benny wasn't lying to me.
Somebody
Huh?
save me!
Oh no! That's Benny!
Yes, Broomstown Rescue Team.
Jin! Big trouble! It's Benny!
What's wrong, Brody? Emergency! Emergency! Benny's hanging on one of the wind turbines. Huh? All rescue team members get ready to move.
Okay! Helly, fly ahead and see what's happening.
Got it. I can't hold on much longer.
Don't give up, Benny! Oh no, Benny's going to get hurt!
Guys!
Helly!
Helly! Stay calm. You'll be all right.
Okay.
Polly, hurry up.
We're close. Let's move it.
Right.
We've got to switch off the turbine.
There's a stop switch behind the propeller.
Something's wrong with the lever. Huh? There's the problem. Oh, I can't reach it.
Polly, hurry up.
Hang on a little longer, Helly. Got it. Helly, it's all safe.
That's done.
Now it's my turn.